This is a story about Leo.
Good morning, everyone! Today, I will show you my morning routine.
Let's start.
Oh no, it's 7 o'clock. First, I turn off the alarm. Time to wake up. Next, I get out of bed. The floor is a little cold. I need my slippers. There they are. Much better. Now, I go to the bathroom. I open the door. I open the door. Good morning, mirror. My fur looks messy. Time to brush my teeth. I put toothpaste on the brush. Squeeze! Not too much. Brush, brush, brush. My teeth are clean now. Rinse. Next, I wash my face. The water is cold but refreshing. Perfect. Now I feel awake. Time to get dressed. I go to my closet. What should I wear today? I choose my blue hoodie. My favorite! And my comfortable jeans.
Perfect outfit.
Now I'm ready for breakfast. I go downstairs to the kitchen. Good morning, kitchen. I'm hungry. What's for breakfast today? I see milk, eggs, and bread. I will make toast and orange juice. First, I put bread in the toaster. Push down.
Now I wait.
While the toast cooks, I pour orange juice. Not too much, not too little.
Just right.
It smells delicious!
Pop! The toast is ready.
I put the toast on a plate. Now, butter and jam. I spread butter first. Smooth and creamy. Then, strawberry jam on top. Perfect breakfast. Time to eat. So tasty.
The juice is fresh and sweet. I feel full and happy now.
After breakfast, I clean up. Clean kitchen, happy me.
Now I check my backpack.
Do I have everything? Books, pencils, notebook. I put on my backpack.
Time to go.
Wait, I almost forgot. My water bottle.
Can't forget to stay hydrated. Now I'm really ready. I open the front door.
What a beautiful morning! The sun is shining. Oh, wow!
The birds are singing. I feel ready for a great day!
This is my morning routine.
What is your morning routine?
Remember to start your day with a smile. Let's learn together. Thank you for watching. See you next time.